Hi, what's up guys, it's Ned and welcome back to my channel. Today, I can't help but notice this mess under my table. It's the cables under my table. And today, we're gonna fix this mess by teaching you guys how to make a cable management box. This is the cables under my tables. It's really messy, so I went online to find a solution to fix this mess. And this is my inspiration, the cable management box. However, all this cable management box, even though it looks great, the dimension probably won't fit my multi-purpose plug because my MacBook Pro charger, it's kind of tall and not very handsome. But yeah, so it can't fit. So I have to customize one to fit my multi-purpose plug. So I just sketched out a rough design of what I want to do for my cable management box. Don't follow my dimensions because my box and my multi-purpose plug is probably a different size from yours. Use a ruler and pen to mark out areas that I'm going to cut, and I'm going to use a pen knife to cut out the cardboard box to the dimensions that we need. So this is how the box actually looks like. This is the rough dimension that we're going to have, and it's definitely taller than 14 cm, and I'm going to cut out a hole from each side. So I'm going to use a pen to actually draw out the hole that I'm going to cut for both sides of the box. I'm just gonna use a pen knife to cut both sides so that the wire can pass through from each side of the box. Before I go any further, I just put the multi-purpose plug back into the box so that I can mark out where the wires will come out from and have an idea of where to cut out the holes behind the box. Use a light color Sharpie marker to mark out the areas that you want to cut out. You can use any color that you like as long that you can see where your markings are. And feel free to cut a bigger hole so that the wires can go through. And I just use a pen knife to cut out the holes. Then I use a scissor to trim off the edge. And ta-da! Now let me just test out and see if it fits. So it can actually fit the two other plugs, but we have a little situation over here. It doesn't fit the MacBook Pro charger, so this part is kind of like stuck. So I'm gonna cut out a bigger hole so that our MacBook Pro charger can actually fit. Next, we're gonna DIY the top. So I got this wooden contact paper and I'm just gonna measure and cut out accordingly, and then I'm just gonna paste the wooden contact paper so that this can be the top of the box. And ta-da! This is how it looks like. So next, I'm gonna paint this cardboard box with a black acrylic paint, and also gonna use a big brush for this. You can use any size brush that you have, but I just thought that it's easier to use a bigger brush so that it'll be much faster. I hope you guys learned a thing or two on how to cable manage and how to make your own cable management box. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you do make the box, please let me know in the comments down below, or you can DM me your box and show me what you've done. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.